Hi, my name is Eric Pyatt, and I am the USC team chapter leader for VAW Global Health Alliances here at USC. And as a student-run organization, our primary focus is to provide medical, dental, and veterinary outreach to patients and animals in underserved communities outside of the United States. And so as a national organization, VAW provides medical outreach to Cambodia, Dominican Republic, Guatemala, Panama, Peru, and Vietnam. And as an organization, our primary focus is to provide medical attention to patients that are not able to receive adequate medical attention in the places that they live. And along in that process, the students and interns that go on these trips to provide that medical attention are able to gain some hands-on experience with shadowing physicians and doctors in these communities, learning about pharmacology from these doctors, to also as an intern you get to provide health education to the people of these communities, and you also get to administer vitals to the patients. And so from a medical perspective, it's a really cool experience to interact with patients and to learn all about the things that you're doing there. And also as just a person, it's a really cool experience because you get to travel with friends to a country that maybe you wouldn't travel to in the first place outside of a mission trip like this. And you also get to do some sightseeing, do some normal tourist activities, and you get the opportunity to immerse yourself in the culture of these countries that we travel to.
It was an incredible experience. Some of the highlights were being able to travel to Peru with some of my best friends, but also meeting so many incredible people. How incredible the culture was, and how welcoming our community and host families were, and also being able to hike Machu Picchu, just have incredible out-of-country experiences. So I highly recommend.
As a student with a non-medical background, having the opportunity to travel with VAW made for a truly unforgettable experience as we visited the outer villages of Cusco, helping people and giving them care that they otherwise wouldn't receive.
Apart from the medical aspect, we got to do a lot of traveling outside, and we got to go to Machu Picchu, which was really incredible. And just all in all, the whole team got so close together, and I think that was also one of my favorite things, just getting to know other students at USC and other people who had similar goals was also really neat. And all in all, it was a great trip, and you should definitely go.
I can easily say that this has been one of my favorite involvements in college, and honestly, one of the most meaningful and rewarding experiences of my life. I think VAW provides an incredible opportunity not only to deliver quality medical care to some of the people that need it most, which on these trips you certainly do, but also as an opportunity for personal growth, to learn about medicine directly from local doctors and to experience cultures through a different, meaningful lens.
Not only did I get to learn a lot about medicine and pop-up clinics, especially in rural areas where they don't have as much access to medical care, but I had the greatest time ever. Our group got super close. We're all still really close. We got to do a ton of cool cultural things. And I think the most rewarding thing about it was that you got to see the actual impact that you were having and the excitement on everyone's faces, the locals and all of the patients that you were treating. So again, cannot recommend it enough. Wish I could go back again this year, and you should definitely go on this trip.
So whether or not you are looking to pursue a career in medicine, either way, this is a really cool experience. To go help some people, to go travel with some friends, and to have a really cool, personal, impactful experience. I can say from my experience personally that this is very true. So when I first signed up to go on my first medical mission trip to Peru with VAW, I was a business student at USC and was slightly considering medicine, but at the time had really never seriously considered making a switch in my life to a more health-related degree. And went on this trip, and my experience on that trip, and that in addition to some other things in my life, I decided to, when I came back from the trip, switch to health promotion and disease prevention major in USC Keck, and also to switch my focus to a pre-med emphasis. And so I cannot guarantee that anyone that goes on this trip is going to want to switch to pre-med, but I can guarantee that you will have a really cool, impactful experience through the process of helping people and through the process of traveling with friends and immersing yourself in the culture of these countries. Overall, it's just a really cool opportunity, and I really do not think anyone that goes on this trip has ever regretted it or felt like they lacked some type of impactful experience. So if you are interested and have any more questions, you feel free to reach out and to go to our website here. On the website, there's some more information, some more pictures from the trips that we've done in the past, and there's also our contact information. So if you do want to reach out, please do. If you're interested, we'd love to have you come on some future trips that we're doing, and yeah, we look forward to speaking to you then. So thank you so much for watching, and have a good one.